But the problem is, if I'm sitting on a wealth of a knowledge and I'm not able to find out from where I start, then there is a problem. Yesterday I shared LOA भी किया है, पेरेंटिंग भी किया है, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग भी किया है, फाइनेंशियल एक्सपर्ट्स हूँ, टैक्सेशन भी पता है, 20 साल से इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री में हूँ, बहुत कुछ बता सकती हूँ, सेविंग एलिमेंट, रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग, फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग सब आता है। अपना एक्सपीरियंस भी बहुत है, वही अगर शेयर करूँ, स्टोरी टेलर, आई एम अ वेरी गुड स्टोरी टेलर। इफ समबडी हैज गिवन मी सम कॉन्सेप्ट, आई जस्ट क्रिएट सम स्टोरी एंड do the talk. I can even help them to create a story with emotion and expression and how you can do that. I can do that also. Then I learn that NLP also have learned. So अच्छा चलो NLP भी कर लेंगे, क्या करेंगे पता ही नहीं है। हाउ टू राइट कंटेंट आई कैन गाइड, फिर समझ ही नहीं आ रहा करूँ क्या। सो व्हाट आई थॉट, लेट्स फिगर आउट what works for me, what don't works for me. So what is working for me is, I started thinking from where to start. So my mentor said, how you started your journey to change yourself so that you feel like I'm growing. You said, na, I'm growing personally, professionally, but how you started this? I said, I started working on myself. I started learning these things. And later on, I find out कि मुझे कुछ तो करना है। Is it ठीक है, कुछ तो करना है, तो सोचो क्या करना है। सो आई स्टार्टेड विद द फाइनेंशियल्स। अच्छा ठीक है, मैं सिखाती हूँ। 2 months I started, and after that I realized somehow there is a fear again. So I realized I am into the same sector. If I do the same, might be my company people, someone says कि यार तुम यहाँ से सिखा के वहाँ सिखा रहे हो, this is not good, it is clashing with your job, so let's try something else. And then I realized I am mentoring and coaching all the working professional in my company, and they are performing very well. How I am doing this, what techniques I am giving them, what all things I am doing and I'm helping them to do. Why not to do for all the working professionals the same thing which I'm doing for my office people? And that too I'm doing with the free of cost, I'm not charging anything, and they are performing well. So how to manage that? Why not to start from there only? And that is there I realized this is my field to start. But I don't want you to just think on 1 year, sit and think कि मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूं. I don't want that. You wait and feel like from where I will start. I want you to start right now so I can give you the way out how you can start your journey with immediate, from the very next day or a week. You can think from which niche you want to start, what is the topic on which you want to create your identity. And I always believe, when you have a master of any of the subject and you started delivering of that, you actually create your brand identity. So that brand identity only you can create when you deliver the things on a right way. So that's why the niche is very much important to have, right? Here the niche role actually comes. So that's why you need to know how to start and where to start, because you are sitting on a wealth of knowledge. Now, to identify the niche, I am sure you all know about the Ikigai ka formula. Can anybody look at this Ikigai and can share and write down in the chat box or write down in your notepad what you love first? What all things you love and what you are good at. Like, I love music, listening music, I love dancing. I also love to motivate people. What I'm good at, I'm very good at mentoring and coaching, because I know if I say something to someone and guide the right way, they perform. Do world need this? Answer is yes. Can I get paid for it? Answer is yes. So this is the right way. So what I love to motivate and mentor and coach people, and I'm doing the same. And added some things where they need a push so that whatever they want they will get. and I'm getting paid for it. So can you please create your what you love for, what are your strength, and what you're good at. So can anyone share? Kapil, Dilip ji, Sandhya, you love to teach? Great. Kapil ji,
Yes, ma'am.
what you love to do?
Uh, Actually,
लव मीन्स,
ma'am.
लव मीन्स मैं जब वो करूं मैं भूल जाऊं सब कुछ, मुझे भूख भी लगी हो तो ऐसा लगे कि नहीं ये काम इतना जरूरी है, मैं भूख भी भूल जाऊं अपनी.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I know Ikigai, ma'am. I read the book, ma'am.
Great. So what do you love?
Uh, Actually, ma'am, I'm a working dentist. So, yeah, I love creating smiles,
Very
make
good.
people pain free.
Wow. So you love give smiles on the other persons.
Yeah, yeah. Yes,
Spreading smiles is your logo.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So definitely you will get paid for it. Kapil Sharma is getting so much of an amount on this.
Right, right, ma'am.
Right. So
Right.
even giving a smile on other face, if Kapil Sharma can get paid for highest amount, why can't you? Right. Now Sandhya said she loves to teach.
Alane.
Right. So now the other concept is says what you're good at. So you are good at mentoring, coaching, teaching, consulting.
Yeah, correct.
Yes.
Yes, yes,
So we all are very good. Like Sandhya is a teacher. Definitely she loves to have teach the people the right way. Kapil ji is a doctor, dentist. So might he can guide the better way कि आप अपने दांतों का ध्यान कैसे रख सकते हो so that you have a smile always, you don't feel bad. How can you be in a good breathe, because some people has a bad breath issues. Dilip ji is into the IT. Might be he can guide people about and mentoring the people and coaching the people how IT things can help. Might be on AI also. Like Shailaja is very good in AI. So these all things you can paid for, right? So you all have which you can paid for. So I will take you through with the Chat GPT also. Now build your ideal customer. Who is your ideal customer? You all know,
yeah, yes,
and the
yes.
information also about what all information is required for the ideal customer. By the way, what all information is required for my
Same
ideal
area,
customer?
customer same area, where they stuck uh, usually, and we stuck our own experience, sharing the experience.
So customers weak area, pain area, what knowledge he or she has, where I can help. Apart from that, do you think we need to know other things also?
Yeah, there is something other. There is something other.
We need to know the psychographic of the customer also. What goals he has, what fear he has, what
Yes,
values he has,
exactly.
what is the behavior, what habit he or she has. बुक रीडिंग है,
Correct.
क्या है, वो क्या अच्छा लगता है उसको, what movie he likes or she likes, what type of movie they are
Yeah,
watching, what type of books they are reading, what type of YouTubes they are watching, what content actually they are consuming. So this is also the area where you can think on, because it is very much important for your
correct.
knowledge, and so that you can help your customer in a better way, right?
Exactly.
Now how can I help you with chat gpt? Now I'm just giving you how chat gpt help you to get refine your niche and refine your customer persona and pain and everything. With that you can create your content, even of a 6 months of a content you can create. But how? Let me share the formula. The way you train your chat GPT, let me log in it first because I'm logged in from some other laptop. So yeah, just logged in now. Yes. So I believe in a. So I always believe if you're doing practicals, we learn more. So I'm just giving you practical scenario even. So you said, like Kapil ji said, I love spreading. एक second. I love spreading smile on the face of the patient because I am a dentist. Again, so how this niche will help me? Can you please provide niche on this?
ChatGPT made life easy. Sometimes still.
So smile makeover specialist I love the most. Stress free dental care, family dentistry with a personal touch, holistic dental wellness, community smile advocate. You can choose anything. You can create as per your requirement. Now, if I write, I am a public speaker, author, ALO, NLP practitioner, and handwriting analyst. Can you please provide me niche on this? It will give me. It is your choice how you are going to start with your journey. Transformation speaker and a coach, handwriting analysis for personal development, emotional wellness and communication expert. You can be a corporate soft skill trainer. You can a person branding specialist. So instead of a personal branding specialist, I actually choose the word of a self growth instead of a personal branding. But basically, I'm doing the personal branding. I'm just creating a brand of a people so that other people get to know. Same way, you can refine, like Sandhya says. Sandhya is a
Yes, ma'am, I'm
professor.
here.
Sandhya, you are a professor.
No, ma'am, I am a guest lecturer.
You are a guest lecturer.
Uh,
In which field
in degree college, I am a guest lecturer, ma'am. Computer science.
of computer science? And who are your audience?
Students, degree
Uh,
students.
degree student. Helping degree student to learn computer science. Please provide niche at least 10 names. job ready computer science specialist, problem solving and algorithm trainers, tech project mentor, AI and machine learning guide, career oriented computer science mentor, future ready coders coach. So you can create anything which you want to. It is very easy. Data driven. Now, please provide my customer pain area, behavior, habit in uh, habit. Let's see. ये मेरा बता रहा है क्योंकि उसका पहले मैंने अपने लिए ट्रेन किया हुआ है. Right? I am just telling now for the Sandhya now. Let me share the Sandhya wala story. I just asked to create Sandhya as well. Behavior, psychology of my customer. Lack of practical skills, coding frustration, fear of complicity, lack of guidance, low confidence, unclear career. देखो behavior procrastination, self doubt, over seeing quick fixes, learning on isolation, avoidance of challenges, desire for validation, fear of failures. So imposter syndrome, need for instant gratification, desire for validation, fear of failure. So these are your customer target audience psychological behavior. This is habit and behavior of degree students in computer science. Relying on peer group, short attention span, trial and error, addicting to online resources, fear of asking questions. So you can create your content around these because these are your customers' habit and behavior. Now, this is the pain area of your customer, overwhelmed with complex topics, fear of falling behind, procrastination and lack of focus, technical interview anxiety, learning resource overload. So these are the areas where you can work for. Like if I go with the Kapil ji, age, habit, profession, behavior, pain in tablet in tabular format. आपका कस्टमर 25 से 60 साल का, आप किसी को भी चूज कर सकते हैं. जेंडर कैन यू, प्रोफेशन कैन यू चूज, इनकम लेवल यू कैन चूज, primary pain points you can choose because your customer has to be a some age. Like I have opted for a mid level working professionals. I am working for male and female both. The professional I always opt for working professional. इनकम लेवल क्या होगा, आई ऑलवेज फील लाइक कि 10 से तो ऊपर ही होगा, मोस्टली 15 लाख से ऊपर होगा. बिकॉज अगर मिड लेवल देखूं तो दे आर मोर देन अ 15 lakhs, बट देर आर द कंपनीज माइट बी देयर इन सम लेवल वेयर they reach to 10 to 12 lakhs. Yes, primary pain points you will label anxiety or fear of dental procedure, dissatisfaction with your smile due to discolored, misaligned or missing teeth, habits, regular brushing but often skipping, behavior pattern, psychological tendency, preferred services. And I'm telling you, everybody doing the same. For the first step, we are nowhere. We want to start from somewhere, at least starts from somewhere. This is the somewhere platform, how I started. And then you started slowly and gradually, you connect with your customers. क्या होगा? When you created these types of content, customers, you will attract your customers and you feel more. You can create polls, you can create polls. Why polls? Because polls helps you a lot. So on LinkedIn or on social media side, if you're creating any poll, you will get the answers. So as per the percentages, you can create content for your particular customers. So slowly and gradually, you will see within a 6 months, you will able to actually understand where I have started. I was nowhere. After 6 months, you will able to understand this is my customer, this is my niche, this is how I will work further. 6 months is a more than Shailaja got in a 2 months and a 2.5 month only. She got to know क्या करना है. And she was saying, मुझे relationship में भी रखना है, मुझे AI में भी रखना है. तो he said, okay, when you are writing something, you can create both the combinations. So here coach comes when you are in a doubt. I'm doing this, but I'm feeling like I'm in a mess. मुझे ये को ये भी करना है, मुझे ये भी करना है. How to match it? So what I'm doing, I have learned ALO, law of attraction. I have learned handwriting analysis also. I have written the books also. I am an ebook author also. So the same what I have learned, I'm just implementing with my all the mentees, and they are getting results. In the morning, what we are doing? We are doing gratitude. We are doing meditation. We are dancing every day, 5 minutes, 7 minutes. If everybody comes on a time, because time frame is very small, then we set the goals. Along with that, I'm just helping them to handwriting also, so that handwrite we stopped write anything. We are just typing only. We are not writing anywhere. So handwriting also helps you to change your mindset, to make you more active. You are able to take action. So I just create a mixture of it. So what I do in my coaches, I help you how to create your, how to find out your niche, exact niche. Start from there. Your customer will be there. Then how to write the content. Now we have already taken this. Tomorrow when we start, we'll start with the content. And for content there is no PPT. That's why you will see I have a not longer very much or long PPTs. 4 or 5 slides is enough to within a 1 hour to understand the concepts, right? Because I want you to give you the real feel. So we'll share you some sheets in the group. Please do work on it. It will help you to find out your niche and your customer persona. Now, when I am helping to finding out, so some people say कि नहीं ये तो मैंने कर लिया, ये मुझे ना काम नहीं आ रहा. I feels like ये नहीं हो रहा. So how to merge it so that your learning becomes more powerful. You able to deliver more better way. सो मिक्सचर, सब नॉलेज का मिक्सचर करके भी हम दे सकते हैं इन अ स्टेप्स. तो हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट योर प्रोग्राम फ्रॉम फर्स्ट स्टेप टू थर्ड स्टेप अप. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम हेल्पिंग टू द पीपल. नाउ अगेन आई सेड, छोटेपन से हमें कुछ ना कुछ पुश मिलता है तो हम सारे काम करते हैं. बचपन में भी मम्मी उठाती थी स्कूल के लिए, कॉलेज में भी हमें धक्का मार के भेजा जाता था, ऑफिस में भी जब तक हम अनमैरिड थे तब तक हम यही करते थे. आफ्टर मैरिज नाउ वी आर गोल गेट सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल कि नहीं ये तो हमें करना ही है करके हम करते हैं. बट देयर आर द फ्यू थिंग्स स्टिल विच, ये तो कहीं तो जाना है आज, एंड यू फील यू डोंट वांट टू गो बट स्टिल यू वांट टू गो because your family needs it. So we need some push. If somebody is there who is holding your hand and helping you come out from this, this is what I tell in my coaching programs. So when you start, I how I started with Vinita. Vinita was not there today. I asked her to join tomorrow if possible. Might be she is in office today. विनीता को मैंने पुश किया 14 दिन के अंदर अपने एक वीडियो लाइव करने का. एंड इन जनवरी ऑल्सो आई हैव सम न्यू प्लान्स फॉर माई कम्युनिटी. The first time when she went on live, she was very much nervous. But once she was on live, till now, she is doing videos. My push बहुत है मेरा उसका. मैं उसको बोलती रहती हूँ तुमने आज नहीं बनाया, अच्छा अगले हफ्ते, आज इस हफ्ते नहीं तो अगले हफ्ते, नॉट दिस वीक नेक्स्ट वीक, नॉट दिस वीक नेक्स्ट वीक. एंड नाउ she has delivered. Even she has shared, she has created the intro of a YouTube channel. Even she is going to start. दिस इज वेयर द कोच रोल कम्स. वरना आप बुक्स और वीडियो पढ़ के ना आप अपना इकिगाई ढूंढ लेते, क्योंकि वहां कोई बताने वाला नहीं है. हम पढ़ के छोड़ देते हैं, पढ़ लिया था, कोशिश करी, फिर कुछ हुआ नहीं, और फिर वो हम भूले कल की तरह उसको भूल जाते हैं और आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. तो व्हेन वी रीड बुक्स, if we need answer, nobody is there to answer for my curiosity, for my questions. The video also have the same, right? And when you have someone to answer, तो you immediately connect, मुझे इसका बता दो ये कैसे होगा, how to go ahead with this. So then here is we are helping people, and my community is like, जैसे शैलजा ने बोला, आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग टू संध्या लाइक योर सेशन इज देयर, can I talk with Sandhya as I am? She was there in my set, but she just got disconnected. So let's have a talk. I said yes. It is your sessions only. It is not my session. It's not my community. It's your community only. So this is how I do the help of the all the people who join my community. So any question till now, so please ask.
It's not a question, but experience sharing. Uh, you're saying right very much correctly and to the point. It happens right now. The video and this means learning from the videos on not implementing. So that particular journey from getting out of the knowledge from the video and implementing it, there we need something. That is
Correct.
that is the way that is the way everything happens.
बट वी डोंट डू ना, हम तो सुन के भूल जाते हैं, वो मोटिवेट हो जाते हैं थोड़ी
Yeah,
देर के लिए, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, और उसके बाद सब गायब हो
yeah.
जाते हैं.
So we have, means I just wanted to take a name. Deepali ma'am is those hai. So she always push me to create a video. Create a video. She always behind me.
So the problem is वीडियो इज द बेस्ट वे टू प्रेजेंट योर सेल्फ. आपको पता है मुझे कितना टाइम लगा वीडियो में आने के लिए? आई टुक सो मैनी टाइम, मतलब मेरे को लगा, लास्ट में जाके लगा नहीं यार वीडियो पे नहीं जाऊंगी तो चलेगा नहीं. सो मुझे बोलते रह गए मेरी मेंटर, कर ले यार वीडियो, कर लो कर लो कर लो. हाँ मैं अभी शुरू करूंगी, हाँ मैं अभी शुरू करूंगी. बट द डे आई फेल्ट लाइक यार मैं कर क्यों नहीं रही. सो लास्ट ईयर आई स्टार्टेड, आई डिलीवर 2-3 सेशन ऑन अ लिंक्डइन लाइव. मैं गई और मैंने वहाँ अपना इवेंट सेटल किया और मैंने किया, एंड आई फील अरे ये इतना मुश्किल तो नहीं था, राइट. एंड देन उसके बाद आई स्टार्टेड माई लाइफ जर्नी. आई शेयर्ड इन अ पार्ट्स अबाउट माई लाइफ जर्नी. इट इज वेरी इजी टू शेयर एंड पीपल लव टू लिसन. हु आर यू? यस शैलजा.
I'm so sorry. By mistake, like I was holding my, phone to a ear, so it has touched. I'm so sorry.
No worries, no worries, no worries. So I started with my story. I started videos with my life journey, how I started. And I started in a small videos, like 15 minutes of a video. And my commitment is I was in a Bokaro and the network was not there. Right? At 11 o'clock at night, it got uploaded, that video. I said, मेरे को करना है, मतलब करना है. So I'm feeling like if anybody is so much of a committed for the official work कि अगर करना है तो रात को सो के करना पड़ता है ना, छोड़ तो नहीं सकते आप, आपका कमिटमेंट है कल सुबह देना है, करते हैं ना हम. सो फिर अपने काम के लिए कमिटमेंट क्यों भूल जाते हैं कि कल कर लेंगे. सो यही प्रॉब्लम यहाँ, बस यही गैप है. देयर इज नो अदर गैप. हेयर समवन इज वांट. अच्छा समबडी सेड कि अरे मैंने ना कुछ किया ही नहीं. 1 week आई डिड नथिंग. आई सेड ठीक है ना, कुछ नहीं हुआ. 1 week यू हैव टेकन अ रेस्ट सो दैट यू कैन रिफ्रेश योरसेल्फ एंड देन यू स्टार्ट. राइट. सो कपिल जी के साथ मेरा क्वेश्चन है अभी. सो कपिल जी, डू यू थिंक यू कैन स्टार्ट समथिंग फॉर द पीपल वेयर you can help people how they can take care of their teeth?
Uh, as ma'am, ChatGPT said actually, uh, we can go for various camps, free checkup camps, uh, mostly community free checkup camps.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you can start with the
Yeah.
free community camps and with the different names which attracts your customers.
Okay, ma'am.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने बोला मैंने कैंप लगाया है, इट्स अ फ्री डेंटल चेकअप कैंप,
Oh,
वो तो सब लगाते हैं ना, आपका अलग क्या है? What is different in you? Why people come to you? It is a normal, everybody is doing. Why you? Why not any other dental?
right. Yes, ma'am. It
So
it
that
has to be
why you
some
need to add.
different. Yes, ma'am. Why?
That's why कृतिका इज है ना अरोमा मूव. आई सेड 10 रुपए का कैंडल भी मिलता है, तुम 2,000 की कैंडल बेच रही हो, ऐसा क्या तुम्हारी कैंडल में ज्यादा अच्छा है? मैं क्यों लूं तुमसे 2,000 की कैंडल भी? कुछ तो अलग है तुम्हारे पास. शी सेड यस.
Yes,
इनका
ma'am.
लिखो ना क्या अलग है. And she started writing. Now she is creating a video with description. So if you want to start a dental campaign, free dental campaign, don't
Yeah.
go with a free dental campaign. No, give some name with unique name. People attract. अरे ये कुछ अलग होगा यहाँ. Something is different.
Yes,
ऐसा
ma'am.
कुछ सोचो.
Yes, ma'am.
देखो, मैंने अगर अलग कुछ नहीं किया तो कोई और आके अलग करके चला जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
You know the story of an iPhone.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
I, yeah.
Those are not changing with the time, like Nokia, not upgrading. Close. Samsung, sale is low. Why? Because they're not changing with the time. So you have to brainstorm and create unique ideas so that people come and join you. People come and say कि नहीं है मुझे तो कपिल जी से ही अपने चेकअप कराने जाना है, वो कुछ यूनिक ही करते हैं.
Mm-hmm. Right,
सो
ma'am.
आपका कैंपेन का नाम डिफरेंट होना चाहिए. नॉर्मल कैंपेन नाम से तो सब करते हैं, फिर आप में मेरे में कोई फर्क नहीं है. So I want you to think on these lines. What different you can create a campaign. And if you give a name tomorrow, I will be the happiest person. कि my 3 day session done. Give unique name. Think on it. Really think on it. Why I'm saying. मैं पिछले 1 महीने से सोच रही हूँ what is the exact name of my future company which I am looking for. And I just got to know, accidentally the name came in my mind, Parivartan. And it is actually the Parivartan I am doing for the people. I'm just changing, I'm just making them professionally, personally grown to their next level. So the perfect name I found, like Parivartan is the right name. I will go with the Parivartan. I am so satisfied inside. लेकिन मैं ऐसे भी तो कर सकती थी ना, साइड हसल लॉन्च पैड चला दो, पैशन टू प्रॉफिट चला दो, एम्प्लॉय टू एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप चला दो, बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू. आई जस्ट वांट टू फिक्स द नेम, and that is a parivartan. In this parivartan, that is the first step program, which is this 3 days workshop. So if I'm not thinking something different, why people come and listen to me? So Kapil ji will definitely share tomorrow a unique name. I just wait for it. Not tomorrow, might be in this week. Till Sunday, I'm just giving you time. Please share. Might be I will help you out to create one different name. Okay, then you start your campaign. What about Sandhya?
Ma'am, actually, I wanted to do coaching business in Vedic maths and coding.
Very good. So if you want to do the coaching in a Vedic maths and this coding, think the name of your program.
Okay, ma'am, I'll think and let you know.
Huh. Not might be tomorrow, but might be after a few days. We are connected in the group. This group is not going to dissolve later on. Don't worry. It will be there. Why I'm telling you? Because जब तक आप ये करोगे नहीं ना, आप अपनी जर्नी शुरू नहीं कर पाओगे. You will not able to start your journey till then तक you're not thinking about your business. This is how I force
Okay.
people to think on. without feeling like Kapil ji is agreed na. I have not forced him.
Yeah, I agree, ma'am.
I'm not forced you na. But I said, Neil, think about why I will come to you. So if Sunday is a Vedic math or a coding teacher, there are so many Vedic math and coding teachers are available. What is different with me? Why I will come to you?
Ma'am, and I'm more interested to guide degree students on taking government
Very good.
exams. I'm
Very
very
good.
good at doing. So I have helped many students. So I want to implement that. So I'm confused,
हाँ
like
तो
which one to choose.
create something, the create the name like people listen and said कि हाँ ये मेरे लिए it's good to me to go with Sandhya because she has a different altogether something in plate. Let's connect. So you need to think on these lines. Dilip ji, what you are thinking about?
Basically, yes, I'm thinking big. Right now, my aim is to get professional, and right here at this moment, equity is the prime focus. And moving towards the means right now, I love to learn technology. I'm in technology since 20 years, but not still liking and still wanted to do more. So that is one area right now that AI is tempting. It is going. I'm working in. I work always work with the niche technologies. That is my core, and it is very much. I mean, it's happy moment that yeah, I work in this technology. I work in that technology. So that is what then moving that passion forward. And again, back connecting means adding the component of the knowledge what I have. I always right now there are hundreds of people uh, I mentored. Now moving into the next phase, so that's what it is.
So create something which helps people,
Yeah,
right?
exactly,
So
exactly.
I'm very keen to listen from all of you what names you are or what you are going to think
Oh
on.
yeah,
Like
yes,
Dilip ji
yes,
is doing
definitely,
something,
yes.
so what he is doing something different, right? So I welcome you all if you if anybody wants to join the program because third day is the content creation day and I have not created any slide for my program which I show कि मेरा प्रोग्राम का कॉस्ट ये है आप आज ज्वाइन कर लो इतने का डिस्काउंट है नहीं तो कुछ नहीं है इतने दिन में कर लो ये फॉर्म भर लो दिस इज नॉट लाइक दिस आई एम अ टोटली ऑल टुगेदर अ डिफरेंट पर्सन ठीक है सो मनी इज इम्पॉर्टेंट आई नो but the success stories are more important than I feel like the both the things are very much need to be balanced. So the program I have, it's a 40,000 of a program of a 6 months. It's not about the 6 months. I'm working with Vinita from almost 9 months now. एक साल से ऊपर and it's a lifetime. There is no gap in between. There is no fees after that. Whatever I am learning, I'm just adding to their programs in my coaching programs. I'm not charging anything else because I feel it's my community. It's my community. Everyone is the part of the family only. It is not anybody else. Because why I'm charging 40,000? The morning session we are connecting every day except Sunday. क्योंकि संडे को मुझे सोना पसंद है. आई डोंट वेक अप एट बिफोर 8 o'clock. मुझे मेरी नींद खुल भी जाए तो मैं नहीं उठती हूँ. सो एक्सेप्ट संडे 6 days we are connecting. First, handwriting analysis. I said I guide you how handwriting will help you to grow in your journey because it helped me a lot. Third, I help to become an author. Your first book. Fourth, you will create your own digital program, able to launch your own program, going on a live, creating your YouTube, creating your podcast. Everything is the part of it. This is not only this. Like I introduced Shalja in my company also. And I want she will do session for Pan India on a AI presentation. Right? Why I have introduced her? Because I want her to get more clients. Might be somebody liked it and said, "I just want to join your program. Do you have anything to offer me?" So she is planning for that offer also, and very soon we are just going to go with it on this. Sandhya ji, Vinita also doing this. Even the Kritika also have given some offer from my company कि उनको कुछ चाहिए था and said कि तुम order दे दो दिवाली पे, but she was not able to deliver half of the order. She took and said कि इससे ज़्यादा मैम हो नहीं पाएगा. So it is not like कि I'm just charging, I'm just giving you opportunity of business also. So अगर आपको आना है, अगर आप मुझे लगता है कि मुझे ये opportunity कहीं से दिखती है आपके लिए, I will refer you. Come and join. Do whatever you want to. So this is a community which is not about the money only. It is about how you grow yourself with the all the people we are growing all together. Like I was invited by one of the NGO. I will go in the month of January. I will take Vinita along with me because she is in Noida only, resides very nearby my home. So I will ask her to go. Please come along with me. Let's have a that pleasure of doing sessions on NGO. So this is how I am looking at. मैं मतलब एवरी डे कनेक्ट करना, एवरी डे हर गोल को पुश करना, इट्स नॉट वेरी इजी. एंड कनेक्टिंग ऑन अ व्हाट्सएप चैट, एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग because I believe if I am growing, your growth is also very much important. We grow together. So my formula is simple. So if somebody wants to join only morning classes, welcome. Somebody wants to join whole program, welcome. Everything is possible. So tomorrow we will connect again at 8 o'clock, and I will share you how you can schedule your content, how it is easy. For a month also you can plan it, for a week, for a month, whatever the content you want to schedule for a month, for a week, you can. It is very easy, a simple formula, and maximum क्या होता है ना, when we are not doing every day the same steps, the consistency has to be there, and sometimes we are inconsistent. इवन इन इनकन्सिस्टेंसी ऑल्सो यू कैन बी अ कंसिस्टेंट. तो जरूरी नहीं है ना कि हम कुछ नहीं भी कर रहे होते बट फिर भी हम कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे होते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. सो टुमारो वी विल गो थ्रू विद द content creation, and
Okay.
today I will share the activity sheet. Please do complete and come with prepared tomorrow with all the sheets which I share with you in the group.
Sure.
Right? So thank you so much for joining. Any question, any doubt, if you have, Sandhya or Dilip ji, Arvind ji, I think was leaving somewhere because he was getting ready and coming out from the home. I think he left somewhere. That's why he left the
Yeah.
meeting.
It's fine.
So
Sure.
Sandhya and Dilip, any question, any doubt, so please ask.
I'm good. I'm good.
Okay.
No
Anything?
doubt, ma'am.
Great. So please do complete that sheet. It will help you to understand more about yourself, about your niche, about your customer. It will help you a lot. That sheet actually gives you the real picture, right? So thank you
Definitely.
so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.